Before I show you anything, I want to slow this down for a moment. This isn't a tutorial, it's not a studio tour. It's simply a glimpse into how I live creatively and why color matters so much to me. I've been thinking a lot lately about what connects all the things I've done in my life. The choices, the changes, the risks. When I look closely, there's one thread that has been there all along. Color has always been how I make sense of the world, sometimes through paint, sometimes through yarn, sometimes through something as small as eyeshadow on my eyes. I didn't always know that this was the thread connecting everything. I just knew I was always searching for color. For a long time, my life looked very different. I became a doctor, I worked hard, I followed the path that made sense and that I was good at, but art kept finding its way back to me, especially when life felt overwhelming. In my 30s, living in a new country, far from everything familiar, art became a way to cope, a way to slow down, a way to breathe. When I look back now, I can see it clearly. Knitting, weaving, crocheting, photography, makeup, painting, travel. It wasn't randomness. It wasn't lack of focus. It was color. I wasn't trying everything. I was learning one language again and again in different forms. This is why my studio is full of color. It energizes me, it excites me, it gives me momentum. But not every space in my life looks like this. Some spaces are quiet, white, simple. Because as much as I love color, I also struggle with overwhelm, with noise, with racing thoughts. I've learned that creativity for me is about balance, between stimulation and rest, between expression and calm. At some point, I had to ask myself hard questions. What does success actually mean to me? What am I holding on to because it's expected? And what do I truly want? Was it a waste to leave medicine after so many years? Or would it have been a waste to wait until retirement to live a life that feels true? I didn't want stress. I didn't want rushing. I didn't want to do it all. I wanted freedom, a slower rhythm, and the kind of presence that allowed me to be the mother I wanted to be. Moving from a loud, turbulent place to the quiet of the Austrian countryside gave me something unexpected. Space. Space to listen, space to reflect, space to choose differently. Today, color is still my guide, not as decoration, but as a way of living creatively. This channel is about that, about color, about creativity across seasons of life, about breaking molds and choosing what actually matters. If that resonates with you, you are very welcome here. I know some of you have been here since my scrapbooking days on YouTube, and I couldn't be more grateful and more excited to see what is to come. So first of all, thank you so much for spending this time with me. I wish you all happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, a wonderful new year, and I am really excited about all the things to come and all of you creatives being a part of my art journey and letting me be a part of yours. I will see you in 2026.